Hello students, this video lecture is on information theory and coding and will discuss the problems on Markov's model in this video class. First problem, for the first order Markov source with source alphabet S is equal to A, B, C shown in the figure below, compute the probabilities of state. Second, find h of s and h of s to the power of 2. So what is asked in this problem is probabilities of state, which is nothing but P of A, P of B and P of C. So we are supposed to find this state probabilities. Second is nothing but H of S, which is source entropy. And to find h of s to the power of 2, we know that h of s to the power of 2 is 2 into h of s. So we'll try to solve this one by one. Yes, to find the state probabilities, we need to write the state equation. Okay, so what is the state equations mean here? So given the state diagram, we are considering the state as your initial node and we'll try to add all the probabilities which is entering this particular node. So for node A or for state A, we can write the state equation as P of A is equal to P times P of A plus the node which is entering is this particular transitional graph from node C. So we can write this as P into P of C. So this is your equation number 1. Similarly, for second node, that is P of B, it is nothing but P into P of B plus the node which is entering this state is from A. So it is P times P of A. So this is your equation number 2. Next, P of C will be equal to P into P of C plus P into P of B. So this is third equation. Now we need to solve these three equations. We have to solve these three equations. So to solve the equations, we'll add 1 plus 2 plus third equation. So we'll get on the left hand side P of A plus P of B plus P of C, which is equal to, on the right hand side I have P into P of A plus P into P of A, which is nothing but 2 times P into P of A plus similarly we'll get 2 into P of B plus 2 into P of C. So we can write this as 2P is common, P of A plus P of B plus P of C. But we know that summation of all the probabilities should be equal to 1. So this left hand side will be equal to 1. Similarly, this term here on the right hand side of the equation will be equal to 1. Or we can write 1 is equal to 2 into P, or P is equal to 1 by 2. So we got the transitional probability value for your given Markov's model. P is equal to half. So we'll substitute this in equation 1. So when you are going to substitute it in equation 1, we'll get P of A is equal to half into P of A plus half into P of C. So if you try to solve this, what we get is P of A will be equal to P of C. Let this be equation number 4. Similarly, we'll substitute P is equal to half in equation 2. So if we are going to substitute it in equation 2, we'll get P of B is equal to half into P of B plus half into P of A. Okay, if we try to simplify this, we'll get P of B is equal to P of A. So let this be equation number 5. Now from 4 and 5, okay, from equation number 4 and 5, what we can conclude is P of A will be equal to P of C, and P of C is also equal to, or P of A is also equal to P of B. So we can write P of A is equal to P of C equal to P of B. Now we know that P of A plus P of B plus P of C is equal to 1. So all these terms are equal. So what we can write is P of A will be equal to P of B equal to P of C, which will be equal to 1 by 3. So this is nothing but your state probabilities for the given problem. To find h of s and h of s square, first we need to find the state entropies. So what are the state entropies here? So we have three states. So we need to find what is HA, what is HB and HC. Once we get the state entropies, we can find h of s given by the formula HA PA plus HB PB plus HC into PC. So to find this total entropy. Now how to find the state entropies? We know state entropies are given by the formula HI is equal to summation J is equal to 1 to N Pij into log 1 by Pij. So we have the first state as HA. So we can write HA is equal to summation. Here J is not from 1 to A, it is from A to C. So J is equal to A to C PAJ log 1 by PAJ. So it is equal to PAA into log 1 by PAA plus PAB log 1 by PAB plus PAC into log 1 by PAC. So this AA, AB and AC are nothing but transitional probabilities. What is the probability of going from A to A here in the state diagram? It is nothing but P. So P into log 1 by P plus what is PAB from A to B? It is nothing but P. So P into log 1 by P plus what is from A to C? Since we don't have any transitional probability from A to C, it is equal to 0. So this is nothing but 2 into P log 1 by P, and we know the value of P, which is equal to half. If you substitute where P is nothing but half, so if you substitute, we'll get HA equal to 1 bits per message symbol. So this will be the value of your first state, that is your HA. HB is equal to PBA into log 1 by PBA plus PBB into log 1 by PBB plus PCBC log 1 by PBC. We substitute in the equation, we'll get PBA, that is from B to A there is no value, so it is equal to 0. Then PBB, from B to B it is P log 1 by P plus from B to C it is P again, P into log 1 by P. So it is nothing but 2 into P log 1 by P, where we know P is equal to half. If you substitute, we'll get HB is equal to 1 bits per message symbol. This will be the value for your HB. Next, what is HC now? HC is nothing but PCA log 1 by PCA plus PCB log 1 by PCB plus PCC log 1 by PCC. So it is equal to, from C to A, what is the value? C to A, it is equal to P log 1 by P plus, from C to B, we don't have any transitional going from C to P, so this will be equal to 0, and from C to C it is equal to P, so P into log 1 by P, which is equal to 2 into P log 1 by P, where P is equal to half, which we have already achieved. So again HC also will be equal to 1 bits per message symbol. So this is your HC now. Now what will be the total entropy? H of S is nothing but, we know it is P A H A plus P B H B plus P C H C. So if you substitute, P A is nothing but 1 by 3, H A is 1, P B is again 1 by 3, H B is 1 plus 1 by 3 into 1. So we are going to get total entropy of the source H is equal to 1 bits per message symbol. Okay, so this will be your H of S. Next, how will you find H of S square here? So H of S square is nothing but 2 into H of S. So it is equal to 2 into 1. So H of S will be 2 bits per message symbol. So this is your H of S square. Second question, consider the state diagram of the Markov source shown in the figure below. First, find the state probabilities. Second, find the entropy of each state. Third, find the entropy of the source. So first question is nothing but finding the state probabilities. In this diagram, we have 4 states. So it is asked to find what is P of A, what is P of B, what is P of C, and what is P of D. Second question is finding the entropy of each state. Since we have 4 states, it is asked to find what is HA, what is HB, what is HC, and what is HD. Third question is finding the entropy of the source. So entropy of the source is nothing but H. To find the state probabilities, we need to write the state equations. So from the state diagram, we'll write the 4 state equation. P of A is nothing but 0.6 times P of A plus 0.5 times P of D. So this will be the first equation. Second equation, P of B is equal to 0.4 times P of A plus 0.5 times P of D. P of C is equal to 0.6 times P of C plus 0.5 times P of B. Fourth equation will be P of D is equal to 0.4 times P of C plus 0.5 times P of P. So these are the 4 equations. Now we'll try to solve these 4 equations to find P of A, P of B, P of C, and P of D. So first, from equation 1, we can write 0.4 times P of A is equal to 0.5 times P of D, or we can write P of A is equal to 1.25 times P of T. Okay, so this is one of the important which tells a relation from P of A and P of D. So let this equation be 5. Next, let us use this equation 5 in equation 2. So we'll write using equation 5 in equation number 2. What we can get is P of B will be equal to 0.4 into P of A is 1.25 times P of D plus 0.5 times P of D. So if you try to simplify this, what we'll get is P of B will be equal to P of D. Okay. So we got one more relation of P of B with P of D. Let this be equation number 6. Now from equation 3, we can write 0.4 times P of C will be equal to 0.5 times P of B, and we know that P of B is nothing but P of D, so we can write this as 0.5 times P of D. Okay, so let this be equation say 7. Okay, or we can write P of C will be equal to 1.25 times P of D. So we got one more relation of P of C with P of D. Let this be equation number 8. Okay, now we know that P of A plus P of B plus P of C plus P of D is equal to 1. So we'll substitute P of A is nothing but 1.25 times P of D, and P of B is nothing but P of D, so P of D plus P of C is 1.25 times P of D plus P of D is equal to 1. Therefore, P of D will be equal to 2 by 9. Now we know that P of A is equal to 1.25 times P of D. We'll substitute the value of P of D. So we'll get 1.25 into 2 by 9, which is equal to 5 by 18. Next, P of B is nothing but P of D, and P of D is 2 by 9. P of C is equal to 1.25 times P of D, which is equal to 1.25 into 2 by 9, which is equal to 5 by 18. Therefore, the state probabilities are P of A equal to 5 by 18, P of B is equal to 2 by 9, P of C is equal to 5 by 18, and P of D equal to 2 by 9. So these are the state probabilities of a given state diagram in this particular problem. Entropy of each state is given by the formula HI is equal to summation J is equal to 1 to n Pij into log 1 by Pij. So the first entropy is HA, which is equal to PAA into log 1 by PAA plus PAB into log 1 by PAB plus PAC log 1 by PAC plus PAD into log 1 by PAD. We'll substitute the respective transitional probability from the graph. So PAA is 0.6. So 0.6 log 1 by 0.6 plus PAB is 0.4. So 0.4 into log 1 by 0.4 plus this PAC is 0, PAD is 0. So we'll get the value of HA, which will be equal to 0.971 bits per message symbol. So this will be the entropy of your first state. Next, to find HB, we know the formula. HB will be equal to PBA log 1 by PBA plus PBB into log 1 by PBB plus PBC into log 1 by PBC plus PBD into log 1 by PBD. So we'll substitute the respective transitional probability from the graph. So from B to A there is no transitional probability, so it is 0. From B to B there is no probability, 0. Then from B to C it is 0.5 log 1 by 0.5 plus from B to D it is again 0.5, so 0.5 into log 1 by 0.5. So we'll get HB equal to 1 bits per message symbol. This is the value for HB. HC is equal to PCA log 1 by PCA plus PCB log 1 by PCB plus PCC log 1 by PCC plus PCD into log 1 by PCD. We'll substitute the respective transitional probability from the state diagram. PCA is 0, PCB is 0 and PCC is 0.6, so 0.6 into log 1 by 0.6 plus PCB is 0.4, so 0.4 into log 1 by 0.4. So we'll get this answer as, after substitution, HC will be equal to 0.971 bits per message symbol. So this is HC. Next is HD. So HD is equal to PDA log 1 by PDA plus PDB log 1 by PDB plus PDC log 1 by PDC plus PDD into log 1 by PDD. We'll substitute the transitional probability mentioned in the graph. So it will be equal to PDA is 0.5 log 1 by 0.5, PDB is 0.5 log 1 by 0.5, PDC is 0 and PDD is 0. So we'll get HD equal to 1 bits per message symbol. So this is HD of your given source. Hence we can write the state probabilities are HA equal to 0.971 bits per symbol. HB is equal to 1 bits per symbol. HC is equal to 0.971 bits per symbol and HD is equal to 1 bits per symbol. So these are the state entropies for the given Markov's model. Entropy of the source is given by the formula H is equal to summation I is equal to 1 to n Pi into Hi, or we can write this as P of A into Ha plus P of B into Hb plus P of C into Hc plus P of D into Hd. So it is equal to P of A, we got it as 5 by 18, Ha is 0.971, P of B is 2 by 9, Hb is 1, plus Pc is 5 by 18 and Hc is 0.971, plus P of D is 2 by 9 and Hd is 1. After substituting and simplifying, we will get H is equal to 0.9839 bits per message symbol. So this is the total entropy of the given Markov source.